Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon cream cheese coffee cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the brown sugar, white sugar, flour, cinnamon, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and rub it in using your fingers until it's mixed into the mixture, but it should still have some large chunks. Set aside the crumb topping for now. Then for the cream cheese filling, in a separate medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract, and beat them in with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Scrape down the sides if you need to. Then set it aside for now. To make the cake batter, in a large bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, cinnamon, and cold cubed butter, and rub the butter in using your fingers just like we did for the crumb topping. Then add in the egg and milk and mix it in by hand until it's just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan. Pour the cake batter into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. Then pour the cream cheese filling over the top and spread it out until it's even. Then sprinkle the crumb topping evenly over the top. Then bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it on a cooling rack and let it cool for 15 minutes. Then finish it off by dusting it with powdered sugar. And you can serve it while it's still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make cinnamon cream cheese coffee cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.